Tell me something about your town.
As we recently shifted to this town, it has many facilities like gyms, and it has a railway station and also bus stand. The facilities are also very approachable to my house, and I like this town very much because the people are very respectful and kind.
Kind of the thing that you want to change in your hometown, and why?
I think so. The facilities like the market should be changed because in the market is actually vast, but not very things are available in it. Like their shops for clothes, but the clothes are not very up to date to modernization.
This is what you want to change.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your hobby is?
My hobby is drawing. From my childhood days, I like drawing, and I like it because it calms my mind. Not only it calms my mind, but also it creates a sense of discipline in my mind.
Do you visit gardens?
Yes, I do visit gardens because as we have a garden in front of my house, and whenever I find the pressure of studies, I get to the near garden and calms my mind.
Do you prefer to use public transport or the private transport?
Personally like to use public transport because it is more approachable. As I recently explained, there are many facilities for transport in my town. But if I ever want to reach any place in a hurry, so I use a private vehicle.
Okay, let's move on to talk about laughing. What kinds of things make you laugh?
There are many things that make me laugh, like videos on YouTube, like pranks and things. But the favorite thing that I like is the memes that are getting more popular nowadays on the internet.
Okay, do you like making other people laugh?
Yes, I do make people laugh because I think myself an introvert person. But whenever I'm with my friends, I became more social, and I like to make friends laugh.
Okay, do you think it is important for people to laugh?
Yes, it is very important for people to laugh because it not only makes them happy, but also I think so creates a positive attitude in their lives.
Okay, is laughing the same as feeling happy, do you think?
Yes, think so, because laughing is similar to happiness because it not only makes a person happy, but also creates a positive attitude in their minds.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you a topic, and you're having a 1 minute to prepare your answer. Here is a pencil and paper for you if you wish to make notes. And here's your topic. Describe an idea you had for improving something at work or school.
Work or school.
Yes, please.
I recently completed my school approximately 3 to 4 months ago. I completed my class 12th in a school near my hometown. I liked this school very much because school was providing many facilities related to studies, but there are many things that I think should be improved. Firstly, teachers were focusing more on theoretical parts and not on sports facilities. There were many competitions that were held related to studies, like quiz and quiz. But in my days when I was studying in school, the events like sports day were not given that much attention. So I think so there should be encouraged. Moreover, I think so. Schools should also add some other languages like French that not only increase the mental abilities of student but also increases the sense of learning in them that can help them in the later life. So there are many things like these because today's schools are focusing more on theoretical part, but these should be also increased in the schools. Idea that's there.
Okay, let's move on to discuss about ideas and education. Some people think that education should be about memorizing the important ideas of the past. Do you agree or disagree?
Repeat the question.
Some people think that education should be something about memorizing the important dates and the facts about the past. Do you agree or disagree with this?
No, I don't agree with this statement because in India, education system in India, the teachers are focusing more on memorizing the history of the past, like memorizing dates. But I think so it just increases the capacity of memorizing in students, and I think so this does not affect that much in the students.
Should education encourages students to have their own ideas?
Yes, I think so. Education, if schools are providing better education, then it not only increases the ideas that students provide, but also it increases the many skills like decision-making skills, and which help in their later lives.
How do you think teachers could help students to develop and share their own ideas?
In my opinion, teachers should encourage students to open more to the ideas and to explain their ideas in the groups, which makes the student disciplined and motivated towards the decisions.
Okay, let's move on to talk about the ideas in the workplace. Should employers encourage their workers to have new ideas about improving the company? Should employers encourage their workers to have new ideas about improving their company?
Yes, I think so. Employers should encourage their employers because encouraging their employers to make them and the ideas not only makes them more motivated about the work, but also makes the work more joyful.
Do you think people sometimes dislike ideas just because they are new?
Yes, in many situations people dislike ideas because they are not familiar with, because many times they are not familiar with the topics, and due to this they feel this sense of unfamiliarity with the ideas. So
Okay, what is more difficult, having new ideas or putting them into the practice?
I think so. Obviously, putting ideas in practice is more important because it gives a practical way to lead a success to the ideas. And but if you only think about the ideas, it not only it will just be a base for their programs or upcoming programs.
Which is more important for a successful company? What do you think?
In my opinion, if the workers are encouraged to do their work more joyfully, then a company can get more success in their work, and making them motivated by adding many schemes like lucky draws can help them to increase the success.
Okay, thank you. This is the end of your speaking test.